You are going to love the 2018 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, trip odometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.